In this video, I want to take a few minutes to show you how you can actually add content to a product. So if you don't know what a PDF file is, you will find out in just a few minutes. So whenever you see an ebook online, someone giving it out for free, or whether they are selling some content, what will happen is, for example, after you pay for the product, it will take you to a page where you can actually download something, the product pretty much, and it will be in a PDF file format. I'm sure a small percentage of you have actually purchased a product like that, and then you have to go and download the product after your payment goes through. Or some of you might even have received free ebooks and stuff when you opt in. Opt in means put your name and email and hit submit somewhere on a web form. Then it will take you to a download page pretty much, where you can actually just click on a link and it will say save file, and then you save the file and then you open it up on your computer. So whether you are familiar with PDF files or not, you will get it by the end of this video. Okay, the first thing we are going to do here is we are going to download a free program. It's called OpenOffice. What this program does is it lets you type out whatever you want and export the file directly to a PDF file or format. Don't worry if you don't have no clue of what I'm talking about. Like I say, you will get this. Why not we jump straight into it right now? At Google, simply go ahead and type in OpenOffice. It's going to be the first result here where it says www.openoffice.org. Now, if you are using any other servers or operating systems, what you want to do is click on the download here at the bottom. And if you scroll down on this page here, you will see the different servers or operating systems. So they got Linux here. For the most of us, we are going to go ahead and use just the regular one for Windows. So click on the first link here. And once you arrive on this page here, all you have to do is click I want to download openoffice.org. And once you have done just that, at the bottom here, you will see download now. Go ahead and click on this here. And you will see the screen here, and the download will start in a few seconds. And this here will pop up. It will ask you where do you want to save this. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and then click on save. So on my side here, it's telling me if I want to replace the OpenOffice, which I already have on my computer. For the sake of this video, I'll go ahead and do just that. So yes, so you won't see the screen here. So down here, it's actually downloading OpenOffice now as we speak, and this might take up to a few minutes. So I have used Google Chrome to download this here. So if you're not seeing this, don't freak out. It's just something else if you are using some other browser. And once the download have completed, all you have to do is click on the program here and you will see a screen open. Now some of you again might see something different. Over here on my side, I have to click yes here, or else I can't download the program. So yes. So once you are seeing this here, means you're doing it right. Good job. Next, go ahead and click on next here. Destination folder, mine is set to my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on unpack next. And now it's preparing to install. And once it's done, you will see the welcome wizard here. Click on next. It will ask you for your customer information. For the username, just put your name. Go ahead and click on next again. If you are an advanced user and you want a custom installation, go ahead and check this box here. Obviously, you know what you're doing. For the rest of us, we are going to leave it as typical here and click on next again. Next, you will see this screen here. You can go ahead and leave this box here checked. Finally, go ahead and click on install. And this might take up to a few minutes here, so please be patient. Alright, once the installation is complete, you will see this screen here, and it actually took about 4 minutes here to complete the installation. 3 to 4 minutes on my side. So when you see this screen here, go ahead and click on finish. So on my desktop now, I'm actually taking a look at two icons, two OpenOffice icons and an OpenOffice folder. Whenever we want to open up the program, the OpenOffice program, what we are going to use is this icon right here. All we have to do is double click on this icon and it will open up the program. Let me go ahead and do this right now. Double click. And here it is. You will see exactly this here. Alright, wonderful. Alright, in order for us to create a PDF file, we have to go ahead and click on text document here. And I come in here and I want to make the content for the ebook. All I have to do here is go ahead and type in my content. Say I have a few lines here. And then you can also add images in here. All you have to do is go ahead and click on insert here. From the drop down menu, go ahead and hover over picture, and to the right here you can actually choose from file or scan. So most of us will use this from file. And then you can open the file in OpenOffice from your computer at home. I'll just go ahead and use this test image here. Double click on the image and it will open up in OpenOffice. And you can also go ahead and just drag this and drop it wherever you want. Just make sure it doesn't mess with your fonts here. If I was to push this up, you will see some of the font going down. So you could resize it as well. So the basic functions in here are very similar to what you are familiar with. Just like in Composer, you got your hyperlink here, your hyperlink icon. So you can actually add a hyperlink to this text. All you have to do is highlight the text, click on this, and go ahead and enter a URL in the target field here. So I have my website URL there, my web address. Once you're done, go ahead and click on apply, and then close. And now you will see that this color here has changed to blue. So this right here will be clickable when we export this, and I will show you how to do that in a minute or so. So come in here at your free time and just practice with these functions here. You can change the text style. You can choose the font size here. You can use all these features here. These are the alignments here. Then you got your bold, italic, underline. Over here you can actually change the font color. All you have to do, highlight the font, choose the color, and there we go. You can highlight your font. You can enter a background color. If you click on insert, you can insert tables, headers, footers, frames. So all you have to do is explore. And the basic functions here you need to use is pretty much for adding content and pictures and linking whatever you want to link to, some text perhaps to a product, some affiliate product with your affiliate link. So feel free again to come in and do this whenever you have some time. So you're gonna have to come up with some ideas on what you can actually sell. You can sell anything pretty much which is valuable information online. So don't be afraid to put an ebook together and put a price on it. And this video is not about pricing, so don't be afraid of doing this and then selling an ebook or anything like that. Great, now let's move on. So let's say now I have all my content in here, and now I'm ready to go ahead and export this here to a PDF file so I could deliver it to my buyers. When you are ready, all you have to do here is go ahead and save your work first. I'm not going to do this here, but just go ahead and save it. And then what you want to do here is go ahead and click on this little icon here. If you hover over the icon, it will say export directly as PDF. So let's click on this here and then go ahead and name your PDF file. So PDF stands for Portable Document Format, by the way. I should have told you that in the beginning of the video. I apologize. So file name here, I've just entered Prem's ebook for an example. I'm going to save it onto my desktop here and then click on save. Now if I was to go ahead and look at my desktop, I should see the file there, the PDF file. I'm going to close OpenOffice. We are done here. Here it is, Prem's ebook. Now let's open this here, double click, here we go. So this is what it will look like when you deliver something to your buyers. With your content, of course, with your images, your links. And this right here will be clickable. And it just brought me back to my website here. So the link was configured correctly. Always check your links. So I hope you got an understanding of PDF files. So this is basically a PDF file. It's just like a book, but without the hard copy. So this is a PDF file. A lot of people are selling digital products like this. They create a book, they add content, so they make a PDF file, and then they sell it on their website. They send traffic, and traffic comes to their website. If they're interested, they will buy through PayPal or whatever it is. So now that you have an idea of what PDF files are and how you can create or add content, how you can create this content and convert it into a PDF file, we are pretty much done with this video. I would like to thank you for listening. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.